Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a request to do a video on Auxly MJ Group, and found some pretty good information. I had heard about this company about a month ago and didn't think anything of it at the time, and like I said, I had a request here, so I thank you for the request. Those are always nice. But this one is Auxly Cannabis. The ticker is CBWTF. Kind of a funny ticker, but if you catch my point. But right now it's at 31 cents. You can kind of see what it's done here over the last week. Just traded kind of flat. For the last month, it's just been kind of up and down. So this one, if you're looking to get into it, it's just kind of up and down. It stays right in this 20 to 30, almost 40 cent range. So if you're looking to trade this one, I would be kind of careful with it. But as you can see, it trades here over the counter. So if you're looking to trade this one on Robinhood, sorry, you can't trade it on Robinhood. You'd have to go to a broker that trades over the counter. I recommend either TD Ameritrade, or if you can buy it on Fidelity, you can save yourself about $7 by going through Fidelity. But a lot of the times, they're not all the over-the-counter stocks are on Fidelity, so then you have to go to TD Ameritrade. But couldn't really find a whole lot of financials on this one, at least on this page anyway. And it didn't really go too much over the ownership. So I'll have to do some more research on that and see if I can find some more information in regards to that. Here's kind of their balance sheet. All these companies are still in their looking to grow, because these are all companies once the United States becomes legalized, these should all grow. That's how I look at them. Any MJ company that I get into, I'm in it for the long run. But here's kind of a snapshot of what they're all about. You can pause and read over that. I have some more information that kind of goes over it a little bit here in a moment. But this is Auxly. Auxly's vision is to be a global leader branded MJ products that deliver on our consumer process of quality, safety, and efficacy. And you can kind of see they're into quite a few different things here. This is some of their brands, the oils, and the Foray brand, the Robinson's brand. Our Cornerstone brand are strategically positioned to capture the interest of rapidly growing global market. This kind of goes over their stock quote. You can kind of see it from January 19th, so over the through January, or actually March of 21. So, like I said, this one was up at $1 at one point in time, and a lot of the MJ stocks in the last 2 years have came down, especially the ones that I have. But that's why I'm in them for the long run. So again, these have, like I said, I'm optimistic on them. They have some more room to run once everything becomes legalized. I don't know when that would be. I'm just stating an opinion. It's obviously going to happen someday. There's just a lot of tax revenue. I think once the government gets a taste of that, everything's going to be in probably about all states will be legalized at some point. But every year there's like 3 to 5 more states that become legalized, whether it be recreationally or medicinally. So, but as you can see, this one was $1 at one point in July of 19. It's just been kind of on the downhill ever since then. Kind of hit the bottom back in September, and kind of on the way back up, and just been trading in this, like I said, 25 cent to 40 cent range, so 25 cent to 40 cent. Auxly is a consumer packaged goods company in the MJ products market. dedicated to bringing safe, innovative, effective, and high-quality MJ products to the medical, wellness, and recreational markets. So those are all good markets to hit. So you cover all the bases. We have established an experienced team of professionals from multiple disciplines, including clinical and scientific research, product development, and fast-moving consumer products. We have partnered with industry leaders and are developing assets to create trusted products and brands in an expanding global market. Here's kind of some of their subsidiaries. So the collab project, we'll go over that a little bit later. The Robinson's MJ, Dosacan, the KGK Science, and Interval. Product development is location in Prince Edward Island, and like I said, well, if I didn't say already, this is a Canadian company. In Ontario is the KGK Science. So the Dosacan is a wholly owned subsidiary of Auxly and is a holder of processing license and analytical testing license pursuant to MJ Act. Dosacan holds 52,000 square feet of the space dedicated to extraction, quality testing, research, and development. The KGK in Ontario is a subsidiary and operates in the contract research organization based in London, Ontario. For 2 decades, KGK has served many of the North America's leading nutraceutical, natural health products, and consumer packaged goods. Companies such as Crufts Foods, Sanofi, Nature's Bounty, and Nu Skin. They also work with clients in sustaining clients for their products through randomized clinical trials, in addition to providing other research services such as participant recruitment, regulatory compliance, involvement in the health and wellness space. Has expanded their research capabilities to include MJ and animal products in recent years. So kind of into quite a few different things. Our cornerstone brands are strategically positioned to capture the interest of a rapidly growing global market. And this is just on their website, www.auxly.com. So feel free to go there and learn more about their products. Again, Imperial Brands. Embrace the changing market dynamics, new consumer products. Fast-growing vapor. They have lozenge. Capsugel is a subsidiary. Manufactures a wide range of innovative dosage forms from biopharmaceutical and consumer health and nutritional industries. Wholly owned subsidiary Dosacan Incorporated has entered into a definitive agreement with Capsugel to provide Dosacan with a complete line of equipment for Capsugel filling and sealing. Feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. There's quite a few different products to go over, and just to save time on the video here, this kind of goes over some of their other locations. International and Uruguay. Auxly announces strategic expansion into MJ 1.0. This is on February 18th. The MJ Flower strategy includes an expansion of the Collab Project Growers Series, Back 40 Pine Kush. Auxly's extended MJ Flower strategy includes the launch of the dried flower offering for the Back 40 brand. Again, it's out of Toronto. This is dated on 2/18/21. Auxly MJ. So on the Toronto, it's XLY. On the OTC, QX. CBWTF. I haven't tried to buy this one yet. I might look into it tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. A leading consumer package company in the MJ products market reveals its strategic expansion into Canada's largest MJ segment, the dried flower market. Auxly's expansion into MJ 1.0 consists of three-pronged strategy: expanding its flower offering under the Collab project series through the launch of new cultivators with existing partners and securing new partnerships with the top-tier cultivators, launching a strain-specific dried flower offering of unique genetics at a compelling price point under Auxly's Back 40 brand, and last, significantly boosting its pre-roll capacity through custom-built automation and launching disruptive pre-roll products under its Collab Project and Back 40 brands. So they're kind of on the heels of the breakout, and I don't hear a lot of people talking about this one. Like I said, I remember kind of seeing something about this about a month ago, but didn't really pay much attention to it at the time. Launched its first entries into the flower market. Robinson's Premium Craft Dried Flower and Industry Collab Project Growers series, which included new consumer favorite strains California and Ice Cream Cake. That sounds kind of good. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. This just kind of goes over into the MJ 2.0. Again, this kind of goes over what Auxly is all about. You can find this on Yahoo Finance. Auxly announces closing of a $20 million bought deal public offering, including full exercise of the over-allotment option. And this is dated on February 8th of 2021. Pleased to announce a deal short form prospectus offering pursuant to which the company issued 54,395,000 units of the company at a price of 37 cents per unit for gross proceeds to the company, including the full exercise of the over-allotment option. And kind of goes over a little bit over the common shares, the warrants, and feel free to go over that. Pause and read the rest there for yourself. Again, that's on Yahoo Finance. Here you can see what it did on Friday. Kind of had a run up here at the end of the day, so not really sure what that's about, but I think some other stocks that I remember looking at kind of did the same thing. So just kind of a different view. Back to Reddit. So I see people talking about it in the past. Like I said, I haven't seen a whole lot of talk about this one as of lately. Looks like people were talking about it, and then it just kind of fell off the radar, and maybe it's going to come back on the radar now. So this is on StockTwits, waiting for Monday. A little JT action. Don't miss out. Kenner Fitzgerald has a very thorough report out on Auxly with an overrate target price of 85 cents. A must-read with lots of great analysts to read and absorb through. So I've talked about all of these on the channel before. Canopy Growth, Aurora, and Sundial, of course, is a major popular one. So if you're interested in those, you can find all those in my library. There's some people on here that are bullish on Canopy. Or on Auxly. I found this on Facebook. This made me think I have to buy more shares tomorrow. 16 billion market capital. 38 cents. Bugs Bunny, gotta love it. close to $2 US by the end of the year. So, yeah, I agree. I mean, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment. But I can see, if things go right in politics, it's at 31 cents now. I mean, who knows? It could be $1. It could be $2 by the end of the year. It just kind of depends how politics goes. But that's pretty much all that I could find on Auxly. So if you have any of this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments for me, along with your cost basis. And like I said, I don't own any of this one currently. I just had a request, I believe, on Friday. So sorry to you that I took so long. I was kind of out of it over the weekend. But anyway, that's it for Auxly. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. And if there's any stocks you want me to cover, go ahead and leave that in the comments. That's always appreciated. And I thank you for watching and all the support. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green.